Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tutorial Simplified. Dusty here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to completely factory reset your Nintendo Switch. Now, could be a couple of reasons why you want to do this. Maybe you are preparing the console to sell it on eBay or through another marketplace, or you're having issues with your console and the last resort option for you in your mind is to just reset the console. And normally that does help in some situations. So what you're going to want to do is a couple of things before we even start the process. Number one, take out any game cartridge that may be in the console currently. So go ahead on the top of your system there and remove any game cartridge that may currently be in the system. Next, go ahead and remove the micro SD card from your system if there is one in there, if it hasn't been removed already. If you don't know how to do that, I'm sure there are images online. I'll show you an image on this video right now, kind of where that is. Go ahead and turn your console off, then remove the micro SD card. Now that we've done both of those things, what we want to do is go ahead and open up our Switch, power it back on, and then once we've powered the Switch back on, go to where you see System Settings, which is going to be the gear icon right here. And then what we want to do is scroll all the way down here to where we see System. Once we are on the System Settings, go all the way to the bottom of this dashboard and go to Formatting Options. Now, under Formatting Options, we are going to see a bunch of different options here. The one that we want is at the bottom here, Initialize Console. This will delete all data in the system memory. So go ahead and select that option there. Now, basically, this is just telling you everything I just told you about the micro SD card and the game cartridge, as well as letting you know once it's gone, right? So understanding kind of what you're doing here, letting you know kind of a warning as to what we're doing. Go ahead and go to the bottom and go ahead and select Next. This will then prompt you to say the console will attempt to connect to the internet to make sure that all Nintendo accounts are unlinked from the console. So if you're preparing this to sell, this is a very big step. So make sure you hit Next here. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or internet in some way or fashion. And that will then take you, once it does that properly, to this big red Initialize button. Now, once you do this, you cannot go back. So there is a cancel button here and then a red Initialize button here. So once the console has been initialized, any data deleted during the process cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to continue? So basically, you go up here and you hit the Initialize option here. Takes anywhere from, I'd say, 7 to 15, 20 minutes, depending on kind of your system size and how much stuff you have on your console. And then once it's done, it'll automatically reset. The console will go to sleep. Once you reboot the console up again, it'll take you to the, basically like you just got a brand new Switch. It'll allow you to select the language you want, and that console is now ready to sell. So make sure you remove the games as well as that micro SD card, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions about how to go ahead and format and reset your Nintendo Switch, please put those in the comment section down below. And if this tutorial helped you out, help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more great technology tutorials just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.